We should be educating our young people to make informed decisions about their financial futures.
And I would like it to be across the board, so all levels from year 9 to year 13.
I can only see this being really important to their education.
I believe it's really important for us teenagers to learn about financial literacy.
And we all need to know how to manage our money so that we don't end up bankrupt in the future.
Some key messages I learned from the financial literacy was
to budget and how to spend my money properly.
Using my money for my needs and not my wants.
And so then they're able to set up goals.
To be safe online with giving account details.
The difference between getting a loan from the loan sharks versus getting it from the banks.
They mean that I have less of a chance of being scammed.
I learned a lot with the teachers and their personal experiences, because it kind of gave us an idea of what might happen in the future to us and stuff.
I shared the budgeting information with my parents.
I talked to my sister about it.
I was so enthusiastic to share it with my mum.
Because before then they don't have a budget.
Tried to make them realise what they want and what they actually need.
I stopped spending a lot of money on clothes and shoes.
I really want a new phone, but the one I have still works, so I think that's not a need.
I get allowances, and I save little bit by little bit from each allowance that I get.
Although I get only $20 a week, if I can save that, it can do great things for me in the future.
I thought that was cool because we learned how to do it, but it was in a fun, interactive way.